Hey there, pizza lovers! Ever wonder what would happen if dill and jalapeno met on a potato pizza? Well, buckle up because today I'm serving you a piping hot love story that's as spicy as it is, well, delicious. Picture this, a tranquil pizza kitchen. Enter Dill, that aromatic herb who's got an easygoing personality. Dill's like that laid-back guy at a party who's always chillin' in the corner, making everyone feel calm. And then, bam! Jalapeno bursts in, full of fiery zest and energy, the life of the pizza party. They're like the odd couple but on a pizza. Now imagine the potato pizza dough, fresh out of the oven, all golden and crispy. The potatoes lie there, perfectly sliced, dreaming of the toppings they'll meet. Dill's like, hey potatoes, let's just relax and add some cool vibes to this pizza. And the potatoes are all, yeah man, sounds great. But then, jalapeno rolls up and he's like, what's up potatoes, ready to spice things up? The potatoes are a bit taken aback, but they can't help but be intrigued. I don't know, jalapeno, they say. We're usually just here for a good time, not a spicy time. Jalapeno winks and says, trust me, potatoes. A little spice never hurt anybody. Next thing you know, Dill and jalapeno are both vying for the potatoes' affection, each bringing their unique flavor to the table. Dill whispers, I bring the cool and refreshing notes that complement your starchy goodness. And jalapeno chimes in, yeah, but I bring the heat that makes this pizza exciting. The potatoes, caught in the middle, think, why choose? Why not have both? And so, Dill and jalapeno find themselves side by side on this potato pizza, creating a flavor combination that's out of this world. Now imagine biting into that pizza. First you get the soothing, fresh taste of dill. Just as you're feeling all calm and collected, jalapeno hits you with that kick of spice, waking up your taste buds and making you go, whoa, what's happening here? It's like the pizza version of a rom-com where opposites attract and suddenly, everything just works. Dill and jalapeno, once two contrasting characters, now harmoniously topping the same pizza, bringing joy to your taste buds one bite at a time. So, next time you're thinking about what to put on your potato pizza, remember this spicy little love story, because sometimes the best flavors come from the most unexpected pairings. Alright pizza enthusiasts, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this flavorful tale, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more deliciously funny stories. Until next time, keep your pizzas hot and your toppings spicy. Cheers.